Bob from Bob's Workshop. It's summertime here in Ohio, and that means there are no train shows to go to until the fall. So what's a guy supposed to do except turn to eBay? eBay, oh, it's a bad place to go sometimes. I found two train-related items, both of them very cheap. Both of them are definitely projects because neither one is working. Together, I should be able to do something with them. Here they are.
I've always liked stained glass lamps, so it seems natural that eventually I'd buy one of these. The Make Offer button is a nice feature from eBay. After asking the seller about what the broken part was on this item, I offered $10, which he accepted. $13 for shipping plus sales tax brought my total to $24.88. I still can't decide if this was a good deal or an impulsive purchase that I might regret. On the very same morning of the very same day, I also found this lamp, which also had the Make Offer button option. This lamp did not work at all, so my offer was only $16. Now, why would I offer more for a non-working example? Because this seller only wanted $4.38 for shipping. She accepted my offer, and mine is not to reason why, mine is but to fix and buy into the valley of Bob's Workshop. So the motorized part sort of works some of the time. The sound doesn't work at all, but the whole thing looks kinda cool when it's lit. The base is 100% plastic, and so is the shade. The locomotive is possibly HO scale. My overall impression of this is a mixture of disappointment and possibly of curiosity, because I'm wondering how I could make it better. My second Lionel lamp arrived about 4 days later. I wasn't sure that the seller would even follow through with the sale. She charged $4.38 for shipping, and the actual cost had to be much closer to 10, maybe even more. But here it is, and she packed it very carefully, which I always appreciate. I knew that this one didn't work at all, but cosmetically, it's actually in better shape than the first. It's a little less dusty, and the handrails on this locomotive are still intact. This one is completely lifeless. No movement, no sound, and even a new light bulb didn't help. I may just pull the guts out of the base and simplify the wiring to use this as a lamp alone. I'll have to think about it.
Well, here they are. The two lamps from eBay that together with shipping cost about 40 bucks. Shipping was the real killer, but I can do something with these. I'm not going to guarantee that they end up looking like this. I have an idea for at least taking one of them apart, removing the steam locomotive, and replacing it with something that's actually in O gauge. Possibly a small passenger car or a caboose. Something with lights in it, because I'd like to have lights inside underneath the stained glass light. Does that make sense? So a car that's lit and a stained glass light above shining down. So two sources of light, there'll be two light bulbs. I have a rough idea of what I want to do. So in a week or two, maybe I'll have something to show you. Until then, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.